Welcome. This is the next, coming from book number 5 of experiments for my MINIVAC 601 experimental. In this instance, I've wired the MINIVAC to simulate associative memory using the program that is below. What's happening here is MINIVAC is going to associate one push button with another as in Pavlov's experiments, a dog would associate a bell, for example, with food. So what I'm going to do now is going to turn on the computer. First of all, that'd probably help a lot. And then I'm going to push some of these push buttons here. As you can see, if I push them individually, let's say number 1, number 3, say number 2, they all light up independently. But I'm going to push 2 of them at the same time, and the computer is going to associate the 2 as in a stimulus and a response. So I'm going to go with, let's try 2 and 3 here. Okay, there I push 2 and 3. Now whenever I push either of those 2 buttons, 2 or 3, the computer will have made the association between the 2. For instance, if I were to push 3, you'll see that 2 and 3 light up, not number 1. If I press number 2, 2 and 3 will light up. From what I can tell, some of this information is being held down in these last 3 relays. As you can see, one of the lights is on here. And in the end, I can instruct the MINIVAC to forget everything, which brings us back to the same situation we started with, individual lights coming on. As you see now, when I push 2, only 2 comes on. 3, only 3 comes on. Alright, thank you. This is a very, very complicated program. I mean, it looks simple because there's just 3 lights involved, but it is quite complicated what's going on here. So I urge you, if you own a MINIVAC, to try this experiment. And it can be found in book number 4, page 44. Thank you for watching.